In this video, I'll be showing you how to fix no command error in an Android tablet. It's a very simple method, so if you find this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe. Now, the no command screen showing a fallen Android robot with a red triangle is not a sign that your tablet is broken. It's actually a security gate designed to prevent accidental factory resets. It simply means the tablet is waiting for a secret manual key combination to enter the actual recovery menu. So while you're looking at the no command screen, perform this exact sequence. Press and hold the power button for 2 to 3 seconds, and then while still holding power, tap the volume button once. Then release both buttons immediately, and the no command screen should disappear and be replaced by a list of text options, which are going to be the recovery menu. Now that you're in the recovery menu, use the volume buttons to scroll and the power button to select. So the first fix is reboot system now. Just try this first. It simply forces the tablet to attempt a normal startup. And the second one is wipe cache partition, and it deletes temporary system files that may be corrupted, but this doesn't delete your photos or apps or anything, so don't worry. And then if that doesn't work either, as a last resort, you got to choose wipe data or factory reset. And yeah, it's as simple as that. Now, if you found this video helpful, be sure to drop a like and subscribe.